Welcome and thanks for being here. Please accept my apologies that I rush a bit through these 3 minutes, but the slides are more comprehensive, so you can pause and dive into details. For this study, we were curious how a self-developed sampling method for large-scale Twitter follow networks works on 2 language communities at once. Our actual research questions were straightforward. First, what is the overall structure of this bilingual network? Second, are there single account bridges between these language communities? And third, are there bridges in the form of groups? Our sampling tool builds on the walk-based ranked degree method. Walkers start at random accounts and iteratively walk to the most followed neighbor. However, we introduce 2 additional steps. First, we add all neighbors to the pool from which new start accounts are drawn. We call this bootstrapping. And second, we densify the network with all connections between the sampled accounts. Therefore, the method is more deterministic and focused on central accounts than forest fire, more directed and economical than snowball sampling, and better suited for explorative studies than ranked degree. After sampling, we used the modularity-based Louvain method for community detection and assessed the betweenness centrality of accounts. As expected, we found 2 large, mainly language-based clusters. Community detection revealed smaller communities around certain parts of the public sphere, such as politics or sports, similar to results in recent single-language studies. To assess the communities, we measured assortativity, ergo how likely language peers connect, and the ratio of German accounts within each community. Assortativity increases the more mixed the community is. For example, community 9, which is clearly porn-related, stretches over both networks, but assortativity shows that accounts follow preferably accounts in their own language. There seems to be no clear trend regarding betweenness. Surprisingly, the German far-right politics community has the highest betweenness. This might be because WikiLeaks somehow ended up there. More interesting are the outliers in the top 100 accounts by betweenness. Those with a mixed follower-followership can be considered bridges between the language communities. For example, Martin Schulz, former president of the European Parliament, international climate activist Greta Thunberg, or a small website Il Deutsch Italia, which publishes news from Germany in Italian. So, to answer our research questions. First, the network is pretty divided by a language gap. However, we left out English using accounts. Second, yes, there are clear outliers that can be regarded as bridges between the language communities. And third, regarding bridging groups, we found music and porn. However, porn is a pseudo-bridge and music might be mainly consisting of false positives of our sampling. Also, other community detection methods should be tested. I hope this presentation will be helpful to you and thank you for your time.